Welcome to the Yoga Series 4, Part 1 of 2 videos. Kati Chakrasana, Standing Spinal Twist. Let's start with the techniques. Step 1. Initial position. Stand with your feet apart in a comfortable distance more than shoulder level. Arms side by the body, palm facing inwards. Then inhale your right hand, palm facing down. Then place your left palm on the right shoulder. Step 2. Forming the pose. Exhale and take your right hand towards the right back, keeping your hips facing forward. Gaze above the right palm and twist right. Step 3. Holding the posture. Hold the posture for a few breaths, keeping your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Step 4. Returning from the posture. Inhale and return back to the center and release the posture all the way. Then step 5. Exhale and repeat the same practice to the other side by maintaining the same process with the normal breathing. Then return back all the way from the posture and relax in Sithil Tadasana. Now the step 6 is to repeat the practice for few times. If maintenance of the posture is less, then repeat for 3 to 5 times. But if you maintain longer, then do it only once. Moving with your breath and maintaining a smooth and controlled motion. After completion, relaxed in Sithil Tadasana, all the way, relax. Next, we will go with the benefits of this practice. It improves spinal flexibility, strengthens abdominal muscles, stimulates digestion, improves balance and coordination, and helps to relieve back pain. Now, points should be remembered, do's and don'ts during the practice. We will start with the do's. Do maintain proper alignment throughout the posture, keeping your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Do coordinate your breath with your movements. Inhaling and exhaling normally during the posture or while you twist. Do keep your gaze soft and focused to help maintain balance and concentration. Do pay attention to your body, how it feels, and modify the posture if needed to avoid strain or discomfort. Now don'ts. Avoid forcing your body into the posture. Avoid overstretching your lower back during the twist. And do not hold your breath while practicing. And do not push yourself beyond your limits. Now, another important point to be remembered is contraindications. Who should avoid this practice? Kati Chakrasana or the standing spinal twist should be avoided or modified under the following conditions. Spinal issues, recent abdominal surgery, high blood pressure, vertigo or dizziness, spinal or hip injuries, during menstruation, or digestive issues. So in these conditions, we have to avoid or we can modify it depending on the level of the conditions. Now the last point is integration into our daily routine. Integrate Kati Chakrasana into your daily routine for a refreshing stretch. Improve spinal flexibility and mental rejuvenation. Listen to your body, practice mindfully, and modify the pose as needed for a safe and beneficial experience. With this, we are going to conclude this series here. Be connected for the next video, that is Part 2 of Yoga Series 4. Thank you so much everyone for your attention. Be healthy, be happy.